How to make new disco in the style of Prospa, starting with a thumpy kick, pre-shifted claps and snares, 2 types of head ostinatos playing 8 notes, and some top loops to fatten up the groove. Then I processed all together with glue compressor to bring the drums forward, EQ to add a bit of brightness, and limiter to slightly shave the peaks. For the bass, I use this groovy patch, layered with this Moog sample, which I processed with chorus to make it wider, and EQ to remove the lows and reduce the pluckiness. Then I processed all together with glue compressor to add punch, OTT to add more bite, and limiter to add color and tame the peaks. For the chords, I used a sine patch that has a deep tone, layered with an electric piano, then I chopped up a few guitar samples for a funky groove, and added these lead vocals for the chorus.
Oops, baby, I didn't mean to fall in love, but
which I pitched down 5 semitones to match the key of the track.
Oops, baby, I didn't mean to fall in love, but
Then I added compression to make it more aggressive.
Oops, baby, I didn't mean to fall in love, but
and vocal doubler for a big choir sound.
Oops, baby, I didn't mean to fall in love, but
as well as reverb and delay for atmosphere.
Oops, baby, I didn't mean to fall in love, but
Lastly, I chopped up the vocals on the second part of the drop. And here's the final result.
Oops, baby, I didn't mean to fall in